Hey guys, so I'm in the middle of doing another full video for nail art this time. I haven't done one in so long. I am so sorry. But I just wanted to share this with you because I thought about it and I was like, you know what? If anybody else has these I was thinking cute and cool at the same time. These cute and cool cuticle pushers, they are also, I can't remember, 100 or 180 grit. They can also double to help clean up your sidewalls and cuticles if you accidentally cure gel before cleaning. And to clean, I use anything from, a brush or these cute little toothpicks with the cotton on the end that they make. Orange wood sticks I'll use after I dip it in some alcohol. I even use these disposable, what are they, like lip gloss or disposable lipstick applicators, I mean. Dip it in a little bit of rubbing alcohol and I wipe along the edges, or if you don't have any of that, make do with what you got. Lint-free wipe with a little bit of alcohol, bam. So I just wanted to share that with you because I was not paying attention, trying to rush, and I got a little bit, just a little bit on, a lot on all of my nails. So I'm just very gently buffering it out with these. If you're curious about this color, this is from Madam Glam. It is called Sunset in Hawaii. I absolutely love orange. This color is also going to be part of my next giveaway. Not the bottle that I'm using. I do have a second bottle and it has not been opened. Of course, I would never send anybody something that has been used. That's just wrong. But Madam Glam's Sunset in Hawaii, and actually the cotton tipped toothpicks that I use, I have tons of these. And I just got another order of them 2 days ago, I'm sorry. So I am including this in the next giveaway. So you'll be getting 100 of these, whoever wins. I have not made that video yet, but I will be making that video very soon where you will get this same color that I am using. It's so beautiful. Absolutely love this color. And you see how vibrant it already is in my nails? Guess what? This is just one coat, just one coat, and it goes on so smoothly. I am obsessed with everything Madam Glam. They do such a great job. But anyways, just wanted to share that with you. I hope it's something you could use. I hope you appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.